either shoot me or do something stupid.
Alright, we're going on safety.
So if you didn't know, in the last vlog we bought Nerf guns. I've modified mine a little bit. But Sean just came in my household, like straight up. My little sister let him in my house. He just snuck in my room and shot me in the stomach. So I'm gonna go try and hunt him down and see if I can't shoot him and get him back for what he did. That is where, ignore this music. That is where he is. He's looking at me now. He just opened the door. He's gonna get his big gun, which I don't think I've shown you guys yet, which I'm actually kind of terrified of. And Fan, will you please shut up? Yes, it's gun. Huh? Alright guys, so I have my gun here. I'm gonna try and get him. Yeah. God. I didn't even have mine loaded. Oh no, I think it jammed. That's not good. Ignore my hand. I was scratched earlier. Okay, well, there's a bullet. I don't know where he is. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, well that did not work at all. That's better. I don't know where he went. This is not good though. He shot two at me. Oh god! God dang, my gun keeps jamming. This is not good, guys. I'm gonna get shot. Okay, there we go. Oh god. It's so hard to do this. Okay, hold up. I have one bullet left. Make the shot count. I'm just gonna try to shoot. No, stop. Okay, guys. I'm officially out of bullets. Jesus. What just happened? Stop. Whitney, I heard you. So a second ago when Sean came over and shot me, I heard you scream in the car when I was running at the car. I was like, what did you?
I'm scared. I surprised you?
Huh? Yeah, you surprised me. I was like, what the F?
I was like, pep.
And I saw you run out, and I was like, I'm gonna go run at him. So I was gonna do some like cool transition between like what my hair was and what my hair is like this, but like first time in 3 years I was running late to a haircut. Can you believe that? Golly, for 3 years I was completely on time. Like I was early to every haircut, like 10 minutes, and this one I ran like 2 minutes late to, and I was like, what the heck? Dang it, I broke my streak. How disappointing. So it's the next day. Not a lot happened yesterday besides the haircut and stuff like that. Then I went to work. Today I have service at the church behind me, and then I have to mow. Don't know how I'm gonna make mowing interesting, but it's currently 8:57. I'm shaky. Do you see the camera shaking? I'm shaky because I need to eat and stuff, but all I have is this drink. So yeah. Well, I got a donut. Now I gotta go mow, which I'm not excited for. I don't really know how to make it look cool for the vlog. Maybe I'll do like a mowing montage. Just got done mowing. It started to get actually really cool out. It was like 100 degrees today, but a storm's about to hit, I think. So like the wind started blowing and it felt great, and it was like the perfect time to mow, so I'm really glad I waited until today. But other than that, it's the end of the week, so